Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, we have seen there is a continuous upside we have seen in the natural gas price, but for this particular week we have seen a downfall has come. Overall trend is upside. As I have already explained you that if the price started falling below a level of 1.7, chances was very high it can move towards its all-time low. Okay, now chances are very high that see it has already made a $0.038. This is the level we have seen. Okay, now from that week, from the last week, we have seen it made a half around 1.990, and then from there a low of around $1.8365. Okay, because the profit booking has had come at this level and a dollar index is already being on a higher side. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, that chances will be higher. We can see it can go further upside because the dollar index is being coming a little down. But as soon as if we have seen the last week, see if you look at the last week, we have seen the red candle is forming, but after that there is a green candle is forming. Okay, so it is trying to regain at again a good level. So what we can see looking at this particular chart. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so let's see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $1.9910. Okay, from there it can go further high towards a level of 2.0468. As soon as started going above that level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.131, and from there it can go towards a level of 2.2. If the price keeps sustaining above $2, we will see it will come in the zone of $2 and $3. So chances will be high after 2.2. We can see a level of 2.7. And if that level sustain, we will see it will cross a level of $2.93, and from there it can cross a level of 3. As soon as started crossing a level of 3, we will see a further upside movement. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain and the dollar index is also moving upside as well as going higher. Okay, so chances can be high if the price didn't sustain, because see, market is always uncertain, so you have to remember the uncertainty also. So always try to set your SL. If you're setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you're trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you have to do it, because otherwise what will happen, you will not have the capital to trade. Okay, so if you're putting your SL, then that will save your capital and then you can take a number of trades. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $1.9374, and from there we can see a level of $1.9. If the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards $1.87, and from there a level of around 1.85. Suppose if the price started falling below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 1.7154 will be there, and that level is already being tested. So chances are high we can see a level of 1.6 if the price started falling below level 1.7. If I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, it can go towards a level of 1.934, then to a level of $1.9018, and from there a level of $1.8754. If the price keeps falling below that level, we can see a level of $1.85, and from there it will move below a level of $1.77. If the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards $1.72, which is already being weak. So chances of moving further low we can see towards 1.6, and then a further